So welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. We're here at Now I Can. They do wonderful things for children with disabilities. And we are here with, and you can introduce yourself with me.
My name is Melissa, and I'm the Managing Director here at Now I Can Foundation.
Okay.
All right, great. Well, you've just finished up a fundraiser recently.
Yes, we just did an online art auction to raise money for scholarships, which we give to help subsidize the cost of therapy for these kids and their families.
Fantastic. How'd it go this year?
It went really well. We
Yeah.
had a good turnout, and we had a lot of things sold, and we're grateful for every penny that was raised.
Okay, fantastic. It's such a good cause.
It is.
You know,
It's a wonderful
I've seen
cause.
some of the kids who, have been in and out here, and they're just darling. And their families, they're so grateful. Yeah, I can tell.
They are. It costs a lot to have a child with a disability, and insurance and a lot of things don't help with all the therapies that they need. So they're grateful for every penny that they can get that helps.
Fantastic. Well, let's see some of these things that were sold. So let's see these first. So some of these were sold in the fundraising auction. We've got the Swiss heart and some other different kinds of cute hearts, and also
That's beautiful.
this pink and black mosaic.
All right, and they've probably seen that one on one of your other videos, haven't they?
Probably. Okay, so now if you can tell us about where these are going.
Yes, so we got 2 stars from Uni so that we can give them to our very large donors who've given a great amount lately, which we're very grateful for. So we always try to give them a little gift that will help them to remember Now I Can, and a star is our symbol. So we
All
love
right.
to grab these to
All right.
pass on. People always love them.
Yay.
Okay.
One other thing that I'd love for you to talk about is over here in the window. Tracy has told me a little bit about this, but if you could kind of explain what's going on here.
Yes, so sadly, sometimes these kids are very fragile and we lose them. And so we've had a few of our patients pass away in the last few years, and so we like to hang a star for each one in honor and memoriam of them so that we can remember them and remember their sweet little spirits that were here with us for a little while.
That's wonderful. Very good. Kind of give them a moment.
Yes.
Well, thank you for letting
Thank
us
you.
come. Thank you for letting us be a part of the fundraiser, and I hope you can continue to do that.
Thank you. We're always grateful for your support, so thanks so much.
All right. Thank you. So, this has been Wisdom Wednesday, and we'd love for you to continue to watch our videos. You can follow us on Instagram, on Facebook. You can, and we're also on YouTube. So you're always welcome to. So click the click the link, ding the bell, all the things that you're supposed to do, and also leave comments if you'd like. So thank you for being with us.